This video will guide you through reviewing a loan agreement. Reviewing this agreement is crucial for both lenders and borrowers to understand the key terms and implications before signing and is a popular project request on the Contracts Council platform. If you've received a loan agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided additional information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a loan agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for loan agreements. Loan agreements are legally binding agreements that significantly impact the lender and borrower relationship. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Loan amount and repayment terms. Verify the loan amount, interest rate, repayment schedule, and any grace periods offered. Collateral and security. If collateral is required, ensure that the terms are clearly defined and understood by both parties. Interest rate and fees. Review the interest rate, how it is calculated, and any additional fees or charges that may apply. Default and late payments. Understand the consequences of defaulting on the loan or making late payments, including any penalties or increased interest rates. Prepayment terms. Check for any penalties or fees associated with early repayment of the loan. Legal compliance. Ensure the loan agreement complies with local, state, and federal laws. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a loan agreement. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We've included a link in the description to help you find a lawyer. Key terms to understand. Loan agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the legal names and details of all parties involved are correctly stated. 2. Loan amount and purpose. Confirm the loan amount and its intended purpose as stipulated in the agreement. 3. Interest rate and calculation. Review the interest rate, how it is calculated, and whether it is fixed or variable. 4. Repayment. Schedule. Understand the repayment schedule, including the frequency and amount of payments. 5. Collateral. If the loan is secured, ensure that the details of the collateral are clearly defined. 6. Default and remedies. Review the clauses related to default and the lender's rights in the event of non-payment. 7. Governing law. Check which jurisdiction's laws will govern the agreement, especially if the lender and borrower are in different states or countries. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your loan agreement is always recommended. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review a loan agreement is $420 on a flat fee. This is based on 25 recent projects from across all U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a loan agreement is critical in ensuring a successful lending and borrowing relationship and protecting your interests. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.